Welcome back to our channel. Today the Suzuki Minibus 2025 is a game changer in the world of compact passenger vehicles, offering a blend of efficiency, practicality, and modern design. Designed for urban transport, small businesses, and family use, this minibus is an ideal solution for those seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient, and cost-effective mode of transportation. With Suzuki's reputation for durability and innovation, the 2025 model comes packed with features that enhance both comfort and performance. Under the hood, the Suzuki Minibus 2025 is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that balances performance with economy. Depending on the market, it is available in both petrol and hybrid variants, catering to eco-conscious buyers looking to reduce fuel costs and emissions. The advanced engine technology ensures a smooth and responsive drive, making it perfect for both city commutes and longer journeys. Additionally, its compact size allows for easy maneuverability through congested streets while maintaining ample interior space. One of the standout features of this minibus is its spacious and ergonomic cabin. The seating arrangement is designed for maximum passenger comfort, with sufficient legroom and headspace to accommodate up to 12 passengers, depending on the configuration. High-quality materials are used in the interior, giving it a refined look while ensuring durability for daily use. The air conditioning system is optimized to provide a comfortable ride, even in extreme weather conditions. Modern infotainment options, including a touch-screen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB port, add to the convenience and entertainment factor for both drivers and passengers. In terms of safety, the Suzuki Minibus 2025 does not compromise. Equipped with essential safety features such as ABS, airbags, stability control, and a reinforced body structure, it provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Some advanced versions may also include lane departure warnings and rear-view cameras for added security and ease of parking. These features make it a strong competitor in the minibus segment, ensuring that safety remains a priority. The Suzuki Minibus 2025 also boasts a modern and stylish exterior design. Its sleek aerodynamic body, bold front grille, and well-integrated lighting give it a contemporary appeal. The vehicle is designed to be low maintenance, with durable components and easy access to service points, making it an economical choice for businesses and fleet operators. With its affordability, reliability, and upgraded features, the Suzuki Minibus 2025 is set to be a preferred choice in the transport industry, reinforcing Suzuki's legacy of producing efficient and dependable vehicles.